Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a dynamic gallery with the help of JetEngine plugin for Elementor. So the first thing you need to do is to go to JetEngine and click on the JetEngine label to access the general settings. And you go to Modules Manager, and here in the available modules list, you check the Grid Gallery for Dynamic Field widget. And it's going to enable the corresponding option. And then you click Save to save the changes you've made. So now what you need to do is to choose whether you want to add a gallery to the default post types that you've got in WordPress, or you want to create a new post type and enable the gallery for this new post type. So I'm going to add a gallery to the default post that I've got in WordPress. So what I need to do is to go to meta boxes and simply create a meta box that I'm going to add to the post. I click Add New, and I give it a name. The post type will be Post, and I'll choose No Specific Post. And here in the Meta Fields box, I click Add New Meta Field, and I give it a name. And in the type, I choose the Gallery option. And I click Add New Meta Box. So if the meta box has been created, then I go to Posts, and I go and choose the post to edit. So here, if I scroll down, I'm going to find the gallery grid for post box. And here I'll need to choose the images that I want in my gallery. And I click Update. So it has been updated, and I want to go to say edit this particular post with Elementor. Or you can also add your gallery to a listing, just whatever you want. But for example purposes, I'm just going to add it to the page of this particular post. Alright, so here's the place where I can add my gallery. And I'm going to search for the dynamic field widget. I drop it in there. And as a source, I choose metadata and the meta field. Here it goes, gallery. So what I need to do is to go to filter field output, enable it, and in the callback drop down, I'm going to choose the images gallery grid. So here what you do is set the number of columns, like that, the images size, then you choose whether or not you want to use the lightbox. So the user will be able to open the images in the lightbox. And then if you go to the Style tab, you'll have this new Miscellaneous tab. We'll be able to change the gap between the images and add the image overlay and the lightbox icon color, like this one, and the hover overlay settings as well. So, and this is pretty much it on how to create a gallery grid with the help of JetEngine plugin for Elementor. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.